Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today, and it's great to be doing another video for you today. So today guys, we're basically on the part 2 of the money making apps, where I basically share with you guys my portfolio and share with you guys what has been going on with the portfolio, the money making apps that I hold in the portfolio, and what is the purpose of the portfolio. So this is part 2, and I'm sure there's gonna be a part 3, so just stick around guys, and I'll show you guys what has been going on. So if you're new to my channel guys, basically what I do, I share with you guys personally how I earn online with get paid to sites and money making apps. So yes guys, so now let's get straight into the money making apps. Remember guys, not all of these money making apps I'm able to basically go ahead and actually put in the description down below, but I'll put most of them in the description down below. So if you're interested in earning with these money making apps, you can just go ahead and click the link, make your very own account so you can start earning. So yes guys, so the first money making app is basically Playtime. So this Playtime earn, right, and the money making app is called Big Reward rather, Big Reward. And the money making app that I download to earn on this app is called Ball Sort. So just to keep that into consideration. So yes guys, the next one is Quiz Multi Cash Out. So just to keep that into consideration guys. So yeah, and for these money making apps, you're playing a game, a simple little quiz. It's like a quiz, and you have to match something, or you have to guess the word, or you have to read, and it's a simple quiz that you do on the platform, and you're able to earn that way. And then you can take out your earnings in PayPal money. So yes guys, the next one is called Stats Wallet. Now these are wallets. One of them I used to earn on, which is the Bling wallet. So the other rest is basically apps that I basically go ahead and just cash out in, because they're actually wallets, right? So yes guys, the other money making portfolio is called Wallets slash Portfolio Earn Cash, and these are basically wallets that I basically cash out. These apps basically help me to cash out my money in my account. So you can see if I'm cashing out PayPal, the money will go to my PayPal account, and then I can transfer it to my bank account. Or if I'm cashing out Stashoshis, I'll send it to my wallet, and then I basically cash out to my account, and then I basically cash out to my bank account. So it's basically simple and easy like that. These are just money making apps that I'm able to cash out my earnings in before it actually reach my bank account. So yes guys, so the other portfolio that I have, it's called Earn with Receipts. So these are the money making apps that I'm able to scan my receipts, right? Whether it be, some of them I can scan my online receipt, my e-receipts, and then also my physical receipt, the one you get when you go to the grocery store, the paper. So yes guys, so this is the portfolio that I use when I want to do that. So to make everything simple guys, I do put them in categories. So if I'm interested in earning a certain way, I can just look for that portfolio, and then I can just start earning with that as is, right? So yes guys, so now what we're gonna do guys, since we don't have any more portfolio here, these are just apps by themselves, right? So the reason why I do it like this is just for easy access. So if I'm using a money making app constantly, I don't want to go into the app. I just put it here so I can easily press it, especially if it's a money making app that I use daily to do something, like the SB Daily Trivia. I use that daily, so I just put it here to easily see. And the Crypto Tab Browser money making app, so the Crypto Tab Browser Lite and the CT Pool app, those I use daily. But what happened now with this with the CT Pool, they cancel their free version. Now the version that's here is the one that I have to pay. So I'm still having the app on my phone, but I'm not really using it. And for the crypto tab browser lite, I'm still able to mine, but they're not paying out. So I'm still holding it because I have a lot of stashes on the platform that is pending in payment. So I'm just waiting and see what happened. If nothing happened, that's okay. So now we're gonna go over to our sites. So basically this is our sites. So let's get straight into it. So the first ones are called basically daily claim crypto. So these money making apps are money making apps that I use to claim cryptocurrency, and all I have to do is just complete tasks within the app, offers, claims, and stuff like that, and I'm able to earn. You can also watch videos, do quizzes, shop, a whole lot of things, right? So just to keep that into consideration. But this is mainly for cryptocurrency purpose. If you're interested in cashing out cryptocurrency, I'll go here. So the next site is called the Robox Fit. I mentioned those in another in the last thing. Yeah. So this site now is called Earn with Sites, right? So these are sites, and they're basically all different kind of sites. Sites that you scan receipts, sites that you earn with quiz, you do puzzles, you play game, you complete survey, you download other app, you shop. You can do a lot of stuff in these money making apps. Some of them are game like directed, some of them are just mining directed, but you can earn with these sites, right? These sites earn and they do pay out from the last time I used those. So yeah. So the next one is called Earn on the Go. So these money making apps are similar to, all right, so there are attachment to other money making app. So this money making app is actually a money making app where I share my unused internet, and the other one is just basically I do play games and I earn cryptocurrency. So yeah. So now let's go over again to another portfolio. So this is the portfolio. So with this portfolio is basically earn stats daily. So with these money making apps, these are the Thunder money making apps. That is the developer, and the wallet is just my Stashoshi wallet. So what I do, I play game on Talatiles, Bitcoin Bay, Bitcoin Snake, and Bitcoin Bounce. And once I earn some Stashoshis, I cash it out in my wallet of Stashoshis. Then if I want, I can send it to my wallet. I can send it to my trading platform or anything like that. So yes, guys. So now let's skip and go over to other money making apps, other sites that I use. So these are some sites that I use, but they're not in any portfolio. So yeah, let's skip again. So these are some that I use. So I have two here that are in portfolio. So I'm going to click them and share it to you guys. So this one is Earn PayPal Money. So this is a money making app where you basically go ahead and listen to music, and then you can earn from it like that. You do a review and you can earn from it. And this is a game that you can play. Once you play this game, it's connected to the money making app, right? Appy Color, coloring book. So yes, guys, it's connected to this app. This app is called, I think it's called Slice. Yeah, it's called Slice. And you can earn from this. You can cash out PayPal money. So that's the thing, guys, right there. So the other portfolio that I have is called Play to Earn Cash. So I did share this with you. I just had a second I shared this with you in the beginning of the video. This is just a second portfolio. I must delete this one. So yes, guys. So I'm gonna delete this one. So yeah, I just put it here for convenience. So yes, guys. So this is basically everything, guys, I have on my phone. Everything. From yesterday to today, I shared you guys the apps, and now I shared you guys apps and sites. So basically, I'll leave some of the apps and sites in the description down below, as I mentioned before. So yes, guys. So before I end the video, just want to say to you guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. I hope you guys have been learning and earning. So yes, guys. So before I end the video, just want to share with you guys basically just what has been going on with my PayPal account, how much I have in the portfolio at the moment. So at the moment, guys, I have $56 and 83 cents in Canadian dollar. So yeah, so what I want to share with you guys is that I have $5 that has been waiting to cash, and I have another payout. So I have two payout that is basically pending. I basically waiting for those. I have two $5, yeah, two $5. So that's $10 in Canadian that I'm basically waiting on. So once I get those, it will be more, and then I'll just do an update basically as what has been going on. You can see my transaction. So yes, guys, and just to keep into consideration, guys, that I basically start earn these by using the money making apps that I share with you in PayPal. So there are other ones that I earn with Satoshis. I'll show you guys in other videos, basically update of those accounts. So before I go, I just want to say thank you guys for being here, and thank you for liking, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, I want to say before I go, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.